Hello everyone, Namaskar. In this video, we are going to start new chapter of Standard 8, that Statistics. We have completed 9 chapters of Standard 8 and one chapter that is based on construction, that is only left. But we have taken each and every problem and we have taken each problem in details. Each step is explained. Now, statistics. Let us see about basic. Average. You have heard this word average. Average, you have solved some problems on average in 7th standard. What is average? What is formula for average? Sum of all scores upon total number of scores, right? So here, if you have to find average of this number, so what you will do? You will add all these numbers. These are scores. Numbers means what? Scores. So 60 plus 40 plus 50 plus 61 plus 39 upon how many numbers are there? 5 numbers are there. Therefore, I will divide it by 5. If I add this 70, then you will add again 70 and then 6 numbers will be there, right? So here what you will have to do, you will have to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 5 because 5 numbers are there, right? So this addition is 250 upon 5. We get 50, right? So average of this is 50. Average of this is 50. So average is what? That is nothing but arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Another word for average is arithmetic mean or mean, right? Now, let us solve some examples from practice set 11.1. First example, this is table given in your practice set 11.1. Table shows 30 students and we have to, and some information is given and we have to fill in the blanks and we have to find average, right? So here, what we have given in table, number of saplings, right? So here, number of saplings we will show by xi. Then number of students, that is by fi, right? Then this is xi, this is fi, here fi xi, right? Then here we have given 1, 2, 3, 4. That means these saplings are planted by one sapling is planted by 4 students, 2 saplings are planted by 6, 3 by 12 and 4 by 8. Such type of information is given. So number of sapling, it is shown by xi, and number of student, it is shown by fi. Now here in this third column, what we have to do? We have to multiply. So here 1 into 4, that is 4, 2 into 6, that is 12, 3 into 12, we get 36, 4 into 8, we get 32. So this is what? This is addition. 4 plus 12 plus 36 plus 32. What do we get? Here we get 84. So this is summation fi xi. This is sum of. This stands for sum of, right? Then number of students, that is shown by n, right? This addition is 30. Now we have to find mean, and mean is shown by x bar, right? So here mean x bar, we have this formula summation fi xi upon n, right? So summation fi xi is 84 and n is 30. By dividing this number, we get 2.8. The average of trees planted is 2.8, right? So mean is 2.8. We have to find average, that is 2.8. This is first example from practice set 11.1. Now let us solve second example from practice set 11.1. See here, question number 2. Table shows electricity used by 25 families of Eklara village in the month of May. This is electricity use, that is given in units. तुमच्या घरी जे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल येतं त्यामध्ये असं येतं की 100 युनिट युटिलाइज केले, 150 युनिट युटिलाइज केले, 361 units utilized केले. So this is electricity use, that is given in units and we will show this by xi. त्यानंतर एवढे जे युनिट आहेत ते किती फॅमिलीजनी युटिलाइज केले. सो 7 फॅमिलीजनी 30 युनिट्स युटिलाइज केले, 2 फॅमिलीजनी 45, 8 फॅमिलीजनी 60 युनिट्स युटिलाइज केले, 5 फॅमिलीजनी 75 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज केली त्यानंतर ही जी एवढे युनिट्स त्यानंतर हे जे आहे 3 फॅमिलीजनी 90 युनिट्स राईट. सो हिअर this is shown by xi, this is shown by fi, and we have to write fi xi. Fi xi, that means product of these two. So we get product of these two. म्हणजे 13 नी 7 ला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर मला मिळतं 210, 45 ला 2 नी केलं तर 90, 60 ला 8 नी केलं तर 480, 75 ला 5 नी केलं तर 375 आणि 90 ला 3 नी केलं तर 270. So n is equal here sum of all this is 1425 and sum of all this is n is equal to 25, right. आता यावर आधारित काही क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. हाऊ मेनी फॅमिलीज यूज 45 युनिट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, म्हणजे 45 युनिट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी किती फॅमिलीजनी युटिलाइज केली, तर ती 2 फॅमिलीजनी युटिलाइज केलेली आहे. सो आवर आन्सर इज 2. देन सेकंड क्वेश्चन, स्टेट द स्कोअर अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ विच इज 5, राईट. म्हणजे ज्या याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी 5 आहे त्याचा स्कोअर सांगा. स्कोअर म्हणजे काय, नंबर. याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी 5 आहे त्याचा स्कोअर किती आहे, 75. सो आन्सर इज 75. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड एन अँड समेशन fi xi. तर एन ची जी आहे सम 25 आहे, याची सम, आणि इकडे याची सम आहे 1425. तर यावरचे मीनचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करताना तुम्हाला पहिल्या कॉलम मध्ये xi, दुसऱ्या कॉलम मध्ये fi, तिसऱ्या कॉलम मध्ये fi xi, नंतर fi xi ची तुम्ही सम घेणार आहे, नंतर याची पण सम घेणार आहे. कशाची, fi ची सम घेणार आहे, समेशन ऑफ fi दॅट इज n. आता तुम्हाला काय फाइंड करायचं, फाइंड मीन दॅट यू हॅव टू. बघा इथे लास्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड मीन समेशन fi xi अपॉन n हा आपला फॉर्म्युला आहे. समेशन fi xi 1425 आहे डिवायडेड बाय 25. जर मी इथे यांनी डिवाइड केलं 25 नी, सो हियर आय एम गेटिंग 57. सो mean is 57. So in this video we have seen 2 problems from practice set 11.1 and remaining 2 we will explain in next video. Thank you, and those who are new, please subscribe this channel because soon we are going to finish portion of mathematics of standard 8, 9, 10. Thank you.